What is up, bosses? In this video, we'll show you how to connect to Zoom. So you're going to go into your integration section. You'll see Zoom right up here in the top left-hand corner. Click the connect button to connect your Zoom account. You'll need your Zoom email and password. And what you're going to do is you're going to just click authorize. And you're now connected to Zoom. Now you'll see that when you go to your appointments or products and services, we'll go to appointments for now. You will see that there is a button here, create meeting when booked in, and you can now choose Zoom because you've connected Zoom. And you just want to make sure that you click save. And now when somebody books for this meeting, books you for this appointment, the Zoom link will automatically generate a Zoom room. And all the link and information will be in the email, the reminder emails, and you'll be able to see it in your orders as well. Hope this helps.